Welcome back, freshwater fishing novices, new viewers. I'm standing in the middle of a river right now. If you tuned into this channel to figure out how to catch a big fish, you should probably click off the channel right now. I'm just standing level in water. I'm gonna try to catch some smallmouth over here. Let's try a simple wacky rig first. You might be wondering how my paddleboard is staying still in a river while I'm not on it. It's anchored up. It's August 4th. Something was either nibbling it or the rocks were bouncing off of it. Let's find out. You might be noticing I'm casting upriver. I'm casting at a diagonal from myself, so if this is center, I'm just about 15 degrees off. It's drifting fairly quick. There we go. That's it right there. Come on. Don't kick it, Mr. Smalley. Oh, is he not bad? Who knows? Oh, shit. Oh, that's a good Smalley. Let's get him up on the paddleboard. Oh, holy crap balls. Oh, look at that smallmouth. Yes. Oh, that's awesome. And we got him unhooked nice and easy. Let's look at that tank. I knew this spot would pay off. One thing's for sure, I love smallmouth. He's out of here. So this spot gets super shallow. Obviously I'm standing in the middle of it, so it's obviously shallow. But the whole this side is shallow, so I can walk out, and then it drops off right here. There's a ton of current. I've known this from past experiences with my friend C-Tone, Carlton. We come here, we've hiked up this, and we've done this before without paddleboards. I wanted to bring my kit. That was awesome. I'm gonna keep doing this. I can't believe my third cast in the same spot I'm standing in produced that quality of smallmouth. My first fish, third cast on a wacky rig. Let's try that again. There's my boat floating at me. All right, here we go. Nope, hit my rod. That's perfect. So it was hard to paddle up here. It was easier to like walk in the shallow gravel, pea gravel, but the river this year has already claimed a bunch of people, and if you haven't tried to paddle upriver, I don't think you should get in the river and try to randomly swim down. I can't imagine what it would be like if my legs all of a sudden didn't work and I was relying on my flotation device and I was floating. I would be down past the launch in a matter of minutes probably. It took me a significant amount of time to get up here, hiking slowly through the current. I will say the water is refreshing, keeping my body core temperature down. That was definitely something. Definitely a different perspective being down in the water like this. Lower than what I normally sit on my paddleboard. There we go. Woo! It's another good one. It might be the same one. Who knows? Come here, you son of a gun. Get in the net. Hi. Okay, that's a holy crap, that's a good fish. All right, buddy, let me get that out of your face. Let's take another good smallmouth. I hope it's not the same one. All right, buddy. All right, he's mad. He's out of here. Sorry, bud. Whew. Still worth it. So they wanted the worm and they wanted the craw. They were both weightless. I was just giving a little bit of action by tweaking them a little bit. What the hell is wrong with this line? One, I can't believe I lost my net after I caught that big fish. Two, I can believe I lost that net after I caught that big fish. Crap. Is it time for an upgrade? I guess I'm gonna go buy an upgrade.